Now, if you missed out on the last one a few days ago, this has just arrived. VW Tiguan R-Line 4Motion with a DSG gearbox, the 2-litre diesel, but this is the 240 brake horsepower. In a beautiful colour called the Indian Grey, 31,000 miles, full service history on a 67 registration with a massive specification. I mean, these cars, they never do hang around, especially when they're in this colour combination. Now, this one being the R-Line has some great features like the upgraded bumpers. This has the upgraded LED mid headlights on there, which is the LED style daytime running lights and the full LED headlights. You've then got the chrome sections to the front grille and the R-Line badging, front rear parking sensors, and then all the black inserts around the corners and the venting area here. You've also got on this one the upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels, which I've mentioned previously that on the Tiguans, they are the best wheels you can physically get. They look absolutely superb. It fills the arches and it puts another twist on this lovely compact SUV. Now remember, this is a 4Motion, so it is four-wheel drive, not just a four-wheel drive looking vehicle. But you have ground clearance, it's nice and easy to get in and out of. And then you have things like sun protection glass. This also has a full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. As for the interior, you have the half leather, half Alcantara, and that lovely sport bucket-style seats, paddle shift, automatic gearbox, different drive terrains. You've got the lovely touchscreen media system and then things like dual zone climate control, heated seats, flat bottom steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. So specification-wise, it's got everything that you would need plus a little bit more. You've then got little white stitching, extended leather on the door cards, lovely interior inlays front and rear. It is a 5-seater vehicle, but because of the size of the car, you've got lots of legroom and headroom for all your family and friends. Other little nice, neat features on these cars, what I do like, and I mention all the time, is you have these little trays on the back with the cup holders there as well, and for kids or for laptops or sort of iPads, that's ideal, really. You've also got some rear climate in the back and 12-volt sockets, fully fitted matte front and rear, and as I've mentioned, the space is absolutely fabulous. This centrepiece comes down, which is an armrest as well, with more cup holders in there. It's the way this car's been looked after. There is no dents or scratches, there's no cigarette burns, there's no funny smells. It's exactly as you would expect the car to be. We then put a fresh 12 months MOT on the car. If the car is due a service within 6,000 miles or 6 months, we would service it before you get it. And like I said, it comes fully prepared. As for the boot space, because of the size of the car, again, it's more than generous. Pushchairs, suitcases, shopping bags, whatever it is you're going to use it for, more than enough. This comes out all together, so it is pet friendly, and the seats do go down. Underneath here, you have more cubbyhole space. And like I said, it's just a good car. It's a VW Tiguan, so they're very, very reliable. It is a facelift model, so it's a newer style. It does look very modern and up to date, and that 2-litre TDI 240 brake horsepower really is a pretty quick car. Because normally a car this size, 2-litre diesel, you'd have 200 horsepower, give or take. So the extra 40 does make a difference. You've then got the full digital dashboard there, multifunctional steering wheel with stereo controls, the R steering wheel there, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, and then like I said, everything down here, which is a DAB digital radio, parking sensors front and rear, stop-start button, more USBs down there, twin cup holders, and you've got your 2 keys there as well. Every part of this car is superb. The last one came in and sold within about 24 hours, 48 hours. This will probably be the same, if not quicker, because it is the diesel and the higher diesel-powered engine as well. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.